Hi everybody, it's Nunu, your friendly teacher guide, and my purpose in this video is to provide an overview of this discussion assignment, The Incidents, a 2019 short story by West student Victoria Thomas. Victoria was in a creative writing class I taught at West in 2019. Her writing blew me away. I read this short story. I loved it. I asked her for permission to please let me use this story in English 101, and she graciously agreed. So this is the topic of our discussion. It will help us to explore a specific kind of bias, which is called IBS, internalized blame of self. Now, I have a caution for you. With this assignment, you can see the caution and the caution symbol here, and it's that Victoria's story contains imagery related to pedophilia and sexual assault. So if you are uncomfortable reading this kind of literary work, then go ahead and complete this alternative discussion assignment here. It's due by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. So just click on this information and it will detail a different assignment for you to complete. You do not have to email me and ask for my permission. You can just complete this assignment. But if you want to talk to me, I'm here. Okay? All right, let's go over this discussion assignment. I'm not going to read the directions to you. You can see they're very detailed. They're very helpful. I'm just going to point out key pieces of information that I want you to keep in mind. And the first is our class rule: use artificial intelligence, AI, appropriately. So, yes, for the written portion of this assignment, definitely use a basic spelling, grammar, punctuation checker, which will help you to identify and to correct easily avoidable errors. But please do not use AI such as Grammarly Go, Quillbot, or ChatGPT, which will write or revise your text for you. If you do so, I cannot do my job as your teacher guide, which is to help you to build, to strengthen your writing skills. All right, what else did I want to point out to you about this assignment? You have a video response that is due by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. You will answer these questions in regard to the video response. Now, what happens if you have never made a video before and posted it in a discussion? Well, don't worry, I have you covered. Come over here to Modules, click on Modules, and go to the beginning of the week, and I'm scrolling down to our week. What, why, and how we'll learn in week 4. This is where this assignment happens to be placed in this example that I'm showing to you. Click on that at the beginning of the week, and then click on assignment text right here. Scroll down, and you will see a video here and another video here. 2 different ways to create and to post a video for this discussion assignment. All right, I'm going to go into Modules, and I'm going to go back into the discussion assignment. I'm scrolling down. I'm going back into it, and yes, here we are. I'm back in the discussion assignment. What else did I want to point out to you? All right, scrolling down, we see that we have a peer evaluation. It's due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. Read these directions very carefully. Make sure you meet the minimum word count for this peer evaluation, because we have a word count in English 101. And I'm not going to read those directions. I'm going to let you read them to yourself, but I am going to read this portion of the directions to you. Please do not evaluate a posting that has more than 2 peer evaluations. Scroll down in the discussion assignment, find a video that nobody has watched, and evaluate that video. Don't evaluate just the first video or the second video in the discussion forum, because people who receive evaluations for their videos have to respond to these evaluations. So we don't want to have somebody have to respond to 30 or 40 or a trillion evaluations. We want that person to have at most 2 evaluations. So scroll down in the discussion, find people without evaluations, and evaluate those videos. Now, something else you have is you have additional resources about our bias topic in this essay. IBS, which is internalized blame of self. You do not have to read them, but they are here if you are interested in this topic. All right, any questions or concerns, come over here to me in inbox, and you can also come over here in home. You can click on the office hours icon, learn when my office hours are, Zoom or campus, and meet with me face-to-face if you need to. All right, so who am I? I'm Nunu. I'm your friendly teacher guide, and I want your learning to be both meaningful and enjoyable in this class. So enjoy this discussion assignment.